Well, guys, some great looking homes under construction here at Cresswind. Homes available for sale, homes being built for folks, and there are a few specs available right now. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. But I'm just itching to get into a house this morning. So let's just see what this beautiful one looks like. This looks like one of the smaller ones. Notice that Coulter is using the zip system, and which I like. Now we're going to go in through the garage, because there's no mud here. What we're going to do in true new homes fashion is get back to the front door. Oh, yeah. Now, see, this one is somewhat narrow with the kitchen up front, but what we're going to do is we're going to go around and look at it. I like to add that sunroom space in the back. Drywall's up, needs mud and tape and so on. It's going to dramatically change, but notice that you come in and you've got a formal right off to the front on this plan. Yeah. And then you come this way and bam, you're right in the kitchen. So is this your dining area? You know what I like about that? I like that for this reason, that here you are in the front and you can see out your front window and you can see what's going on right out there. And really, in a 55 plus type neighborhood, it's all about bonding with your new friends, people that came down, this is kitchen, came down to do the same thing that you did, to have a change of pace, to relax, to enjoy. So you got countertops. You can tell because of the electrical outlets are there above the counter level. And so there you've got your sink that looks right out into this with lots of light. It is a cloudy day in Charlotte today. So, if you say not a lot of light, that's why. Refrigerator goes right here, and your stove right there, and your sink right there. It's a great looking kitchen with a really nice tall opening. And wow, beautiful, guys. So we come in, and again, what else do you need, really? One large, great open space to enjoy your new life. So the way the model is laid out with the furniture placement, that'll give you a really good feel for what yours could look like. Now this house is sold. Now see, look what they did with that silver. I love that thermal barrier, tech shield, or a radiant barrier of some level. But this one looks right out to the woods. Man, that is great. Look how big these windows are. These look like 3060, look like 6 foot tall windows. And we've got 8 foot doors. Wow. So what I want you to do, if you're in the market for 55 plus, you ought to check out the Cresswind playlist. A lot of videos there, tours, driving through and getting a feel. Man, back porch, what else do you need? So you got kind of a sunroom here where the ceiling comes down to about 9 feet, and then it goes up to really more like about 11 feet for that volume feel. And then here you're going into a master bedroom. Now let's just say that you're looking from a distance and you say, hey, I like this plan. Could you please go shoot this one for me, the decorated model? And I may already have one there. Check the Cresswind playlist. But in the meantime, hey, get on a plane and get down here. So see, that's got that corner shower, got a sink to the left, a sink to the right. And by the way, moving down to Charlotte is what it's all about for your retirement. The hokey pokey, definitely not what it's all about. I like that transom window there. So again, you've got a nice tray that goes up. You've got plenty of room here. So there's your master for sure. And don't neglect getting an outlet on the floor. That's going to be important, so you don't have to go all the way to the wall to charge your phone or have a table lamp. It costs a little bit of money, but it's worth it. Now, so that was the back bedroom. Got this large space here. Now let's go into this suite. We've got a laundry room there to the left. Looks like we've got a powder room or a full bath. That's what it is, a full bath there to the right. Another bedroom. And then another bedroom. So this feels like a 3-bedroom. Wow. Except for this one does not really have a closet. So this is more of a study. So 2-bedroom and a flex space. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. If you're relocating to Charlotte, my services are free because the builder pays my fee. Very smart of them to do that. Again, kitchen. Wow. Looking out to the front, pantry, and then this large opening looking out into your great room. I'll see you in the next video.